Okay, here we are again at Luscombes, just showing you this lovely Audi A3 saloon that we've got. Have a quick walk round. All in all, fairly tidy car. There's a couple of little marks on door edges which I'm sure we can sort out anyway. It's got rear park sensors, you can see them in the back bumper there. It's also got a rear camera, you can just see it just there. Yeah. Okay. Come around this other side. There we go. Have a look in the back. Nice clean cloth seats, vented in the back there. We'll come round into the front. So you can see all around electric windows and the folding mirror switches and the door lock button. Just press that. Okay. Sports seats. Little pop out bit at the front. Okay. And in the centre there we've got the navigation. Yeah. And it also turns into your rear screen. Your rear camera for parking. We'll start it up. And there's your rear camera. Let's see if we can see a bit better. There we go. A bit more light there now. Okay. So controls with radio are there. Yeah, all your climate controls and everything in the centre there. And all your information controls. And your navigation, your voice activation just there. Yeah. If I close the door, and there we can see it's done 42,234 miles. So, all in all, nice clean car. And bring yourself down, come and have a cup of tea, cup of coffee, and let's have a chat, see what we can do. Hopefully we'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.